Sometimes, not every page in your app should be visible to everyone. With conditions, you can control exactly who can access specific pages and content. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use conditions in Jotform apps to control page visibility and protect sensitive information inside your app. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform App Builder. Click on the page where you want to change the visibility settings. Then select the gear icon to open the Page Properties panel. On the right side, in the General tab, you can configure the main properties of the page. Set the page name to define how the page will appear inside your application. You can also enable Require Login if users must sign in before accessing the page. This helps ensure that only registered users can reach protected content. Use Show Page on Navigation to control whether the page appears in the main navigation menu. Turn on Show Icon if you want to display an icon next to the page name. Then click Select Icon to choose an icon from the library. Use the search bar to quickly find an icon that represents your page. To set page visibility rules, switch to the Condition tab. Here, you can control who can access this page. Use role-based access to define which users are allowed to view the page. Select Visible to Everyone if the page should be accessible to all users. Or choose Visible to Selected Roles Only to restrict access to specific roles, such as Admin, User, or Manager. When enabled, use Select Roles to choose which roles can view the page, or open Manage Roles to configure user roles in your application. Once you're done, toggle Preview to view the app as a user and confirm the visibility settings. And that's how you use conditions in Jotform apps. Control access, protect important content, and keep your app organized with clear visibility rules. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.